My journey to writing this book, well, this is quite a long journey because my history, I'd been a management consultant, so I'd done a master's degree in organisational behaviour and strategy. And I'd worked with organisations, people within organisations, to help them become more effective, both individually and for the organisation. I'd spent a lot of time doing that. But over the last 10 years, I became more interested in individual effectiveness and authenticity. For professional reasons, but also for personal reasons as well. Because I wanted to learn more about who I was and who I should be, really. So that journey took me across mindfulness, neuroscience, neuroplasticity, genetics, epigenetics, positive psychology, even quantum physics, which does have quite an implication about who we are and what we should be doing with our lives and the effect we have on our own reality. Anyway, so that took me about 10 years to do all that research, and I found that my consultancy and MBA training was really useful because it trained you how to access information, understand the essence, and to put things together in a way that people can use. So I found that training very, very useful in doing this book. So the book started out to be a personal journey about my own authenticity. But as it developed and as I talked to more people about it, people say, well, you should write a book about this. So the book itself took about 12 months to write, longer than I thought. And it eventually became called Release Your Wow, because fundamentally it's about understanding who you are and being that person. And not just that, but having the confidence to be that person. Because all of us start off with, genetic blueprint. And what happens to us is normally sort of happen chance and just normal life and circumstance. And we get to a point in life where we think, well, what the hell happened to us? And are we really who we're supposed to be? So it's at that point where a lot of people think, well, I really need to look a little bit more closely about myself. Well, that was my own journey. And through doing that, I came out with a lot of the lessons, if you like, that are found in the book. And being a consultant, I want to give people a process by which they can use these findings and these insights to find out who they are themselves.